want to let everybody know we're getting ready to go with moto number 1. The 30-second board has been raised.
So first moto was like a disappointing that I went down in the corner, rough fall over in me, so I couldn't do too much about it. So finished 5th on that. And second moto, had a really good start and passed quick and I put on a charge for maybe half of the moto and then just finish it up. So happy to get another win and also a podium, and yeah, just want to enjoy the last round.